fishing. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Driftless Outdoor Dad. We are here at the Trempealeau Lock and Dam trying to catch some walleye, perch, really whatever bites. But we're gonna be doing some kayak fishing today, and the way we're gonna be targeting these fish are with a pink jig and a minnow. I really like to use live bait out here. It seems to be the best option. It seems to catch me the most fish, so that's what we're gonna be doing. But like always, before we get going, don't forget to subscribe to this channel right now. Please do it. We made it past 1,000 subscribers, so thank you so much everyone who's subscribed so far, but we need to keep going. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now let's get to some more fishing. I am in the kayak again today, so I'm gonna get a workout trying to catch these fish. What's the word? Better than nothing. Yeah, we're moving fast today. It's a lot harder to fish today than every other day. Golly, I just getting tossed by this wind and current today. Really difficult to fish. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, that's a good one. There we go. Let's see if we can get this one in. Oh, it's not. I just hooked him in the gill. But that's my first one of the day out here. Nice. Fish number one out here in the kayak. Goodbye. Yeah, I don't know, you guys. Real tough to fish this way today. What's up? Huh? Not out here. It's all little ones out here. You guys caught much today? Oh, okay. I think the water might be moving too fast for me to fish this way today. I might go on shore and just throw for perch and stuff. Normally I can kind of slowly float through here. I'm just flying today. I haven't been out here for a couple weeks now. It was good a couple weeks ago, so. Oh, here I got one. Here we go. Let's set this sucker. There, we're on. Oh! He is little, right? Tiny. I hope so. Oh, there's one. Here we go. Let's see if we still got it in his mouth. Something's there. We're gonna set this thing ready. There we go. Another tiny one. Tiny. This one is going back. Little walleye. Walleye number two, equally tiny. See ya. The wind is just killing me right now. Ugh. Oh, I think I got a fish on here. I do. Not big. Oh, a small one. Oh my gosh. What the? There he is. Tiny. See ya. Oh, let's actually fish this one out a little bit. There we go. On. With the same thing. Oh my gosh, I've caught 4 of these. See ya. Can't catch a fish bigger than 10 inches. Oh, no way. I just dropped this one down and I got a fish. That is a good sign. Not big, but a fish indeed. Awesome. Oh, I got one on this one too. Look at that. Double fish. Oh, no, that one's gone, but that is awesome. All right. Again, another tiny one. This one's slightly bigger than the ones I had earlier, but a fish. Awesome. See ya. All right, let's see if I can get back. Oh, I got a fish. Right as I went to pick it up. Hooked it. This is a good one. This is the best one I've had all day by a mile. Oh, come on, baby. I don't have a good hook set. Gosh, I hope I get this in. Come on, fish. Oh, it's not even that big. Nice walleye, but just so much bigger than the other couple I've had today. That's a good walleye. All right. I don't think he's coming home with me. He looks a little bit short, but we will measure him. We will measure him up. See what we got. Let's grab that. Let's toss that. Yeah, there we go. He's gonna be too short. I don't even know if it's worth measuring, but it is a fish. As you can see, I've moved kind of into the actual lock and dam area here, and I just caught 2 fish, so what a dream. Let's keep it going. We finally caught a slightly decent walleye here. He's not that big. He's probably gonna be just under 15, but it's nice to finally hook up a decent walleye. I don't even think it's worth measuring him. He's not gonna make it. Awesome. In the dam here, and we're gonna let him go. Say goodbye, little walleye. See you later. Oh, let's get you in here nice. That's 2 here in between the walls. Oh, he's gone. There he goes. All right, yes. All right, that's 2 in here. So let's catch some more. I'm kind of floating away quickly, so I gotta get back. All right, let's get back in there. Big group of pelicans flying over me right now. All right, let's catch fish, huh? Oh, this one just got hammered. Oh, this might be a big one. Yes! Oh, let's catch a fish. It's not big. It just bit hard. Nope. Oh, yeah. Same thing, but hey, it's another fish. All right. Look at how much lighter color that one is. I think actually this one's a sauger, but it's a little small, and we haven't kept any other ones today, so I'm gonna let this one go. Say bye-bye. But hey, it's another fish. Let's catch another one. Here we go. Straight down. All right, guys, a little end of the night update for you. I am gonna be fishing for maybe like 3 more minutes. Then I'm gonna get out of here and start heading home. We caught a few fish today, but really nothing that big, nothing that special, which is pretty disappointing. I know as the temperatures start to rise, the water temperature is gonna start to rise and the fishing is gonna get a little better. So if you're struggling out there on the river, just hang in there and wait a little bit longer because it's gonna get better. But I've been out here a couple times already this year, and if you haven't seen those videos, make sure to go back to my channel and check them out right now. Thank you so much for watching this episode. We will see you next time.